good day or good morning. I'm a little bit more awake today. I'm 90 and you're watching Zoom and Crash. We're going to do some more CL9000 stuff today. Oh yeah, I did get some new D-rubber, or I guess what it's called, weather stripping for the storage doors. I'm going to put that on to replace the small one that I have. It should work a lot better because it's wider and bigger. It should do a better seal than the small stuff I have on the door too. So I'm on my way. I'm going to try to do a voiceover for this part of the video. Later in the video, I will show you that there's holes in the top of the frame rails from the previous owner sticking a catwalk in there. In this, I don't really explain too much, but what I'm doing is I'm using this plate and I'm mounting an electric hydraulic pump that will lift the cab up. The plate will cover the first two holes in the frame, and then the second ones I'm going to probably use carriage bolts to fill the area up with. So this is me trying to mount the plate. Of course, while I'm trying to mount the plate, I realized the airlines on the transmission are actually pretty bad looking and deteriorating, cracking, etc. So before I could stick the plate on, I have to change all the lines and make them all fresh, and that's what I'm doing here in the video. I also have trouble getting what do you call it, different hardware for all the lines, so I actually had to go into town to the local hardware store and then spend like 20 minutes staring at their random selection of fittings, but I finally get it in the end. Those are the old fittings right there. They're faded and cracked, and they're 1/8 inch. I changed to 1/4 inch. So this is where I show the mounted part, and those are the the more holes for the plate that I'm just gonna fill with carriage bolts. These are the replaced 1/4 inch airlines now, and then I have them loomed and then zip tied all the way up the shaft of the shifter and up to the shifting pole. Yeah, Dougie. We outside. We got the tanks. Some of the plastic is glued on the tanks, but the pressure washer should take that right off. It's coming together, it's sealed up. Need to get the fenders on again and it should look pretty good. Yeah, it needs a pretty good wash. Anyways, if you like this video, I appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you for watching.